Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to share with you all some updates that I've made to my daycare business plan template for 2023 using artificial intelligence in some areas of the document. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. After that, we'll walk through the business plan template for the daycare, and I'll show you some of the updates that I've made for the template. And then once we're done with that, we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, let's go ahead and move forward with this presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and get into the star of the show, which is the daycare business plan template updated for 2023 using artificial intelligence for some of the aspects of it. So for the first aspect that I updated was the daycare summary. I added a little bit more flowery writing with the help of the artificial intelligence. It's kind of spruced up a little bit of the writing in the summary section. The next thing that I did was I went to each one of the services provided. I plugged in my current writing that I had into the artificial intelligence component, and it reworded it for me, so it does sound a little bit better, but I did do that for the first two components. The next aspect that I updated was the industry research. As we all know, if you're going to write a daycare business plan, or if you're going to purchase a daycare business plan template, it better have up-to-date information. So I did go ahead and access IBIS World. I have a subscription to them. In my most humble of opinions, they are the industry leader in industry research. I accessed their daycare business in the U.S., summarized their information, and updated it in the template. And the final update that I made was I made my financial model that's included in the daycare template more flexible. Specifically, if you go to the profit and loss tab and underneath the pro forma income statement, pro forma income statement on a monthly basis, and you'll see the sales growth. You are now able to update the sales growth, or you can modify the sales growth on a monthly basis using percentages. So those are the three updates that I've made for 2023 in the business plan template for the daycare. So hopefully this is helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.